This weekend, I tore my studio apart from top to bottom to make this small room green screen work better. I wanted to shoot in RAW with less compression and 12-bit color depth. And I learned something really surprising. If you're shooting in a small room and you're standing less than 10 feet in front of your green screen, I have some really good news. All cameras are a sea of compromise. For instance, you would think that all things being equal, if you shot your green screen videos in 4K or 6 or 8K, keying would be easier because you'd have so much more color information to work with. I have found it easier to key 4K footage, but this weekend I learned that maybe it was just easier to see everything on a big monitor with a big picture. So this whole thing got started because I have a client who shoots everything in regular old HD at 1920 by 1080. And at first I thought, oh boy, I hope we can key this stuff, you know. He shoots in a codec called XAVC at 50 megabytes per second. Pretty good, actually. But that's in the lowest bit depth color out there, 420, like most cameras. So the question was, would it work as well at 4K? Well, there's specs on paper, and then there's the real world. For instance, if you're getting a nice HD signal at 50 megabytes per second, that same camera will probably give you 4K at 100 megabytes per second. But 4K is more than twice the size of HD, so you really need something like 200 megabytes per second to get an equivalent amount of information. But I wanted to test the theory, and I wanted to give myself the best chance of succeeding. That's why I reconfigured the studio to get a little farther from the green screen. I got rid of all my light stands to make more room, and I shot in the ProRes HQ codec that I normally shoot in, just not in 4K. Look, I know it's getting really nerdy in here, but stay with me. This is going somewhere great and surprising. So, what happens if the green screen itself is lit more evenly? You're seeing it right now. What you aren't seeing is that getting this result took only seconds. Sometimes with 4K, it can take a good long while. And you really have to know what you're doing or you overdo it. So here's my new recommendation for everyone who wants to get superlative green screen shots, but do it more than once a decade. Shoot in regular old HD with a camera that has at least a 1-inch sensor and in the ProRes codec, HQ if you can get it. Now here's one more really important reason. Before I settled on HD, I tried out the Blackmagic RAW codec at 6K, which gives you basically uncompressed footage and 4444 color space, which is 68 billion colors compared to the 1 billion I'm used to. I was so excited. But again, specs on paper versus the real world, you don't gain any significant image quality. Plus, it's harder to focus properly, and the file sizes cost a fortune in overhead and in the slowing down of your system. So the tip for today is that regular old HD shot against a well-lit screen with a good codec and a decent keying program will make you a happy puppy. But there's more to this tech story. I tore up my studio and made this video for you because time is growing short. If you can make videos in your uniqueness with good writing and on-camera work and a fuller understanding of selling, maybe you'll make enough of them that you become the very kind of leader for the kind of world you want to live in. So, in addition to the uniqueness tool I released a couple of weeks ago, I'm creating a new tool that will help you diagnose exactly where you are in terms of technology, writing, being on camera, and selling. It's just a few weeks from being finished. All these tools are what I hope you'll use to join us in a new world rising, and ultimately why those currently in this old world will see you as their visible authority.